Hi everybody, I'm Danny Dancer. I'm the Kidtropolis educator here at Children's Museum Houston, and I am joined once again by my daughter Corey. Corey, say hi everybody.
Hello.
Hello. And we are here today with another snack time. I bet you thought I was going to sing the song, didn't you? Yeah. But you're lucky I'm not going to sing snack time! Snack time! Snack, 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 snack time. It's still her favorite.
Opposite.
Opposite of favorite is super favorite. Okay, so today for our snack time, we are going to actually put together a rainbow fruit platter. What that means is we have gathered together fruit that comes in different colors of the rainbow. So we have some red strawberries. We have an orange, very cleverly titled. We have some yellow pineapple. We have a green kiwi. This is our kiwi after we've peeled it. This is what the kiwi looks like before you peel it. But on the inside, it's got this cool green color. We have blueberries, and we have some purple grapes. So what we are going to do is we are basically just going to prepare our fruit by washing it, by slicing it up into small bite-sized pieces, and then laying it out on a plate so that we have a lovely rainbow display. And then we will add in a little bit of just simple, we have vanilla-flavored Greek yogurt, and that's just going to be our fruit dip. Corey, you ready to help me out with this?
Okay.
Okay, awesome. So what I'm going to have you do is we want to prep this so that it is ready to eat. You could just grab something off the tray, dip it in the fruit dip, and go ahead and eat right away. So that means we want to remove any parts that would be inedible, like our hull or our top part of our strawberries. So I'm going to give this task to you, Corey. And for this, you do want to use a cutting board, and then you will need a knife, depending on what you're cutting. You might need a sharper knife, or if you're cutting something like strawberries, you can use a dull knife, like a dinner knife. So that's what I'm going to give to Corey for this, to cut the tops off the strawberries. Meanwhile, I think our blueberries and our grapes, they've already been washed, so those are prepped, ready to go, nothing to do there. We just need to cut our other three fruits up into smaller pieces, and then we'll put them on our platter.
It's so white.
It is. That's why we want to just keep the red part of the strawberry, otherwise it doesn't quite fit our rainbow scheme, right? So, of course, before we started with any of our food preparation today, Corey and I have both washed our hands for 20 seconds each, just to make sure that we're being healthy. And of course, we're going to use that cutting board so that we can protect our table as we prepare everything. So Corey's got those strawberries going. For the orange, I could peel the orange, but I'm actually just going to keep it really simple today. I'm just going to slice it up. So there will be some rinds that people will have to get rid of when they're done with their fruit, but that's okay. All right, we're still working on the strawberries. We've got our orange all cut up. For the pineapple, I actually bought some pineapple that had already been sliced up. If you would prefer, you can get pineapple from a can, or you can actually just buy the whole pineapple and slice it up yourself. Now for our kiwi, I'm just going to cut this into slices. If you'd prefer, you can cut it into wedges or cubes, whatever you like best. All right, all of our fruit is prepped and ready to go. Now we're just going to lay it out on our plate. Should we do red at the top or purple at the top?
Red.
Red at the top. All right, let's just go ahead and lay these out along the edge here.
Wait,
like we're making.
This top?
It is the top if you're sitting out there at home. Hi, friends. That's the top. So we're just going to go in a little arch like it's a rainbow. That one's yours? Okay, you put the last one in. I'm going to turn it now, so that we have the
face.
top of a rainbow. Very nice. All right,
This is
next.
my favorite one.
Is it? Awesome. Next, we're going to put our orange slices, and we can lay them out.
It looks like a cyclops is smiling.
I will take your word for that one. Do you want to help me with this? We can go ahead and just lay them out any way you like. It doesn't have to have a particular pattern, although you certainly can make it as fancy as you want. And we've done it. We have a rainbow. We have red strawberries, oranges, yellow pineapple, green kiwi, blueberries, purple grapes, and our fluffy white cloud-looking fruit dip. This looks delicious. I hope you all have fun making your rainbow fruit platter at home. In the meantime, let's go ahead and set this down. Go ahead and grab your favorite fruit. And thank you very much, everybody, for joining us for today's Snack Time, sponsored by HEB. And we will see you all again soon. Bye.